Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today's topic is maximizing your success with Google pay-per-click campaigns. Let's start. In the fast-paced digital marketing landscape, pay-per-click advertising remains a cornerstone of many successful online marketing strategies. Among the myriad of platforms available, Google Ads stands out as one of the most popular and effective choices for running pay-per-click campaigns. In this comprehensive guide, I will delve into the world of Google pay-per-click campaigns, covering everything from the basics to advanced strategies to help you maximize your success in this advertising channel. Understanding Google pay-per-click campaigns. Number one, what is Google pay-per-click advertising? Google pay-per-click advertising is a form of online advertising where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. It is a way to buy visits to your websites rather than earning them originally through search engine optimization. Number two, benefits of Google pay-per-click advertising. Google pay-per-click offers numerous benefits including immediate visibility, precise targeting, and measurable results. It can be an invaluable tool for businesses looking to boost their online presence. Number three, how Google pay-per-click works. To create a successful Google pay-per-click campaign, you need to understand the mechanics. Learn about keywords, bidding strategies, and ad ranking to set the stage for your campaign. Number four, keyword research for Google pay-per-click. Keyword research is a fundamental step in Google pay-per-click. Discover how to identify the right keywords for your business and industry. Setting up your Google pay-per-click campaign. Number one, creating a Google Ads account. The process of setting up your Google Ads account, ensuring you are ready to launch your pay-per-click campaign. Number two, defining campaign goals and objectives. Your goals will drive the structure of your pay-per-click campaign. Learn how to establish clear objectives for your advertising efforts. Number three, structuring your pay-per-click campaign. Discover best practices for structuring your campaign, including ad groups, keywords, and ad copy. Number four, writing compelling ad copy. Crafting persuasive ad copy is crucial for attracting clicks. Optimizing your Google pay-per-click campaign. Number one, monitoring and analyzing performance. Successful pay-per-click campaigns require ongoing monitoring and analysis. Explore the key metrics to track and how to interrupt them. Number two, A by B testing and experimentation. Learn how to control A by B tests to improve ad performance, landing page effectiveness, and more. Number 3, budget management and bidding strategies. Discover strategies for managing your budget effectively and optimizing your bids for maximum return on investment. Number 4, ad extensions and ad formats. Enhance your ads with extension and formats that make them more engaging and informative. Advanced strategies for Google pay-per-click. Number 1, remarketing and retargeting. Unlock the power of remarketing and retargeting to reach potential customers who have previously interacted with your website or ads. Number 2, location and device targeting. Tailor your ads to specific location and devices to reach the most relevant audience. Number 3, Google Shopping ads and display network campaigns. Explore advanced campaigns types like Google Shopping ads and display network campaigns to diversify your advertising efforts. Number 4, quality score and ad rank optimization. Understand the factors that influence your ad's quality score and ad rank and how to optimize them. Number 5, competitive analysis and market research. Stay ahead of the competition by conducting competitive analysis and staying up to date with industry trends. Number 6, going beyond Google Ads, YouTube ad campaigns, and more. Diversify your advertising strategy by exploring other Google advertising platforms. Troubleshooting and common challenges. Number 1, dealing with click fraud and invalid clicks. Learn how to detect and prevent click fraud, which can eat into your pay-per-click budget. Number 2, ad policy compliance. Stay within Google's ad policies to ensure your ads are not disapproved or penalized. Number 3, dealing with low conversion or high cost. Addresses common challenges like low conversion rates or high advertising cost. Measuring success and return on investment. Number 1, setting up conversion tracking. Implement conversion tracking to measure the success of your Google pay-per-click campaigns. Number 2, calculating return on investment and cost per conversion. Understand how to calculate your return on investment and cost per conversion to assess campaign effectiveness. Conclusion. Google pay-per-click campaigns are the dynamic and ever-evolving field of digital marketing. This guide is your roadmap to understanding, creating, and optimizing successful campaigns on this powerful platform. By following the strategies and best practices outlined here, you can harness the full potential of Google Ads to achieve your marketing goals.